मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला, मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला, मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला, अरे मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला, मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला, मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला, मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला।
गोया सरकार
हाय हाय,
गोयाची सरकार
हाय हाय,
गोयाची सरकार
हाय हाय,
गोयाची सरकार गोयाची सरकार गोयाची सरकार मुख्यमंत्री
नीतला उठला, मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला, मुख्यमंत्री नीतला उठला।
तो वयर वचो नाका
आता लोक ते पळयता तेका असो दिसता तो फ्लॅटावयल्यान ते बॅंकात ते
एक दो गोवा सरकार को फेंक दो।
एक दो गोवा सरकार फेंक दो, 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 गोवा सरकार फेंक दो। गोयचो सीएम नीतला उठला, 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 गोयचो सीएम नीतला उठला।
गेट तर ओपन करा आणि मेळपा तर दिया आणि सीएम और सीएम कैन कम हियर।
गोयचो सरकार हाय हाय, 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 गोयचो सरकार हाय हाय। एक दो गोवा सरकार फेंक दो, एक दो गोवा सरकार फेंक दो, एक दो गोवा सरकार फेंक दो, एक दो गोवा सरकार फेंक दो। लोकांक फटवू नका गोंयच्या 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 लोकांक फटवू नका
अरे सोडून की रे बाबा
चौथून घे बरं पुढे
अरे बाबा सोडून की रे असं का तो दुसऱ्याच्या हातात की रे बाबा मग रट्टा
100 मीटरचं गाव आहे
सोडून की रे
एक 5 जणां मेळपाक तुम्ही सांग 5 जणां कांयच करना फक्त उलयता येता
आणि दारा बाहेरच रावतले म्हणून सांग भितर काय नका इन्फेक्शन बी जाय
5 जणांना मेळपाक घेऊन सांग आणि पयता आमी फक्त सीएम मेळून फक्त आणि काय
हाय लोकशाय आमकां
गोंयचे सरकार हाय हाय लोकशाही आमकां जाय 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 गोंयचे सरकार हाय हाय लोकशाही आमकां जाय
आता ते सोडा मरे आमकां एटीएम कार्ड
एटीएम कार्ड पोलिंग जाता आसा गव्हर्मेंटा पयशे ना तुजे पयशे काडपाक We are not stopping. Police are stopping. We are in the side. He want to go ahead. He want to go ahead. He is not allowing us. Please stay. गाड़ी होती है. Sir, you can come. No problem. Sir, why don't you join us? Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you all for the inconvenience. Yeah, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, why don't you also join? The CM is disturbing entire Goa. This is your job. Our job is something different. Carry on. Thank you. Do your job. Your job? Oh.
आयज येतलो फाल्यां येतलो पावन पावन 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 आयज येतलो फाल्यां
Video conference करता फोटी उलयता
video conference करता फोटी उलयता video conference करता फोटी उलयता video conference करता फोटी उलयता आयज येतलो फाल्यां येतलो पावन पावन आयज येतलो फाल्यां येतलो पावन पावन आयज येतलो फाल्यां येतलो पावन पावन आयज येतलो फाल्यां येतलो पावन पावन
सीएम कोणाक खबर ना
गोंयचो सीएम कोणाक खबर ना गोंयचो सीएम कोणाक खबर ना गोंयचो सीएम कोणाक खबर ना
आयज येतलो
फाल्यां येतलो पावन पावन आयज येतलो फाल्यां येतलो पावन पावन आमकां सीएम जाय बाबा ओगी राव सगळ्यां ओगी राव
So we will convey to you our thoughts, what we have decided, and if you can accordingly inform the Chief Minister, that is the position. I am giving you also a written representation, Chief Minister. Sir, for the last 9 months, the people of Goa have been watching the total collapse in the administration. And enough was enough, so yesterday we decided that it is time for the people to come on the streets. And accordingly, at short notice, we decided that this will be the start of the agitation. and for various reasons I have outlined in the letter, because this is a all-party, all-NGO demonstration to demand the return of governance in Goa. Goa needs a full-time Chief Minister. The Chief Minister has not been accessible to the people of Goa. He has not been accessible now even to his own ministers and his own party MLAs. They themselves have said that the administration has collapsed. They have now realized what the people of Goa were feeling all these 9 months. So, sir, we want you to convey to the Chief Minister that now we are convinced, because we had come to see him and see his factual health condition. They are saying that he is fine and that he is improving, but as you know, he cannot meet us today because he is physically incapacitated. In view of that, we give him a public ultimatum of 48 hours to resign as Chief Minister of Goa or to face the consequences. And please convey to the Chief Minister the consequences of the agitation that will be spread across Goa after the 48-hour ultimatum will squarely lie on the Chief Minister, because the people of Goa cannot be taken for granted. So I request you, sir, to kindly hand over this representation. It's a very short representation. If you can kindly hand it over to the Chief Minister on our behalf. And this is our 48-hour ultimatum to him, that he should quit and allow Goa to move on. Because he should also realize that he has recently dropped 2 of his ministers on health grounds. So after doing that, the Chief Minister, who is himself in a worse health condition than those 2 other ministers who he has dropped, he has no authority to continue as Chief Minister. Please communicate to him, sir, our thoughts. I am very grateful to all who have come at a very short notice. Dr. Colasso, sir, is the only cardiologist of Goa. Dr. Francisco Colasso has come all the way from Margao, and I had requested him to come so that he could check whether Mr. Manohar Parrikar still has a heart. So unfortunately,
That's a good one.
but doctor has come all the way.
In fact, I have a long in Sloan Kettering Hospital itself. So I know to go to the file each and every patient. So I would request him that he allows me at least, I can go there and test him.
No, he says he's physically incapacitated. So anyway, I thank the members of various NGOs, various political parties, the various MLAs, the leader of the opposition, all of you for having made it. And this is the beginning of the battle to ensure that Goa at the earliest gets a full-time Chief Minister and governance returns to our state.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Who is the person taking your message? Iris.
So ask him.
Iris, who's the person taking your
Deputy
message?
Collector of Panjim.
Who's he? What's his name? Iris. What's his name?
I'm not taking any action.
Excuse me.
Deputy Collector's name.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Deputy Collector, just give us your name.
Communicate to him and if possible convey to him what we have said, sir. A brief summary of what we have said.
So you have told him that the people have come to meet him.
Yeah, just tell us your name,
No,
please.
but does the CM know that the people have come to meet him? He knows.
No, let him tell us his name. How do we know he's going to get anywhere near it?
Shashank, his name is Shashank.
So what's your name, Shashank?
Tripathi.
कॅबिनेट मीटिंग घेऊन शकता आणि बाकीच्या मीटिंग घेताना बाकीच्या
Can you please explain the meaning of physically incapacitated? I am not a doctor, so can we send in a? Will you allow them to send in a doctor, sir?
डॉक्टर
Sir, will you allow them to send in a doctor?
Allow them to meet, allow to meet at least the opposition leader.
You are a lawyer, doctor. He is real doctor. Doctor are that.
Thank you, sir.
हाजर पट्टा गायक ये नाही का सरकारात कलेक्टरच्या हातीन काय नाही हेला भेटतो पुढलो
पुलिस बाबांक देव बरें करूं सगळ्या पुलिस बाबांक देव बरें करूं अरे तेच्या हातीन काय ना रे आपल्याच करते काय अरे आता मुर्ख देव बरें करूं किती बरं आहे ऑपोजिशन लीडर रावे होते ना का आम्ही
They have agreed today that he is incapacitated.
not district
खबर करा काय
एक्सेप्ट केलं जाम झाला
सर बाईट दी आमका बाईट दी आऊंगा एक कॉपी दी
The people of Goa for the last over 9 months. The people of Goa over the last 9 months have been watching silently with a sense of deep anguish to the total collapse of governance in the state of Goa. After having waited for 9 long months, we have realized that enough is enough and the people have to step on the streets to ensure that Goa gets a full-time performing chief minister and governance returns to the state. So yesterday we decided that at short notice we will come and visit the chief minister and see his factual health condition. We have been today told that the chief minister is physically incapacitated and he is not in a position to see or meet anyone. So all that we had been saying all this time has today come through, that the chief minister's office and some office bearers of the Bharatiya Janata Party have been misleading the people that everything is well with the chief minister, all his parameters are fine and he is improving by the day. So the truth is out today and we are informed by the Deputy Collector of Panjim, to whom we have requested to convey to the Chief Minister what we have given to him in written today, that we are giving a final ultimatum of 48 hours for Manohar Parrikar to quit or face a statewide agitation, the consequences of which only Manohar Parrikar will be responsible. As we all know, recently Manohar Parrikar dropped 2 of his ministers on health grounds. After dropping 2 of his ministers who were ailing, Manohar Parrikar's health condition is worse than those 2 ministers and he has no authority whatsoever to continue as chief minister. We wanted to know the health condition of the chief minister because over the last 9 months, the Goa government has spent over 14 crores on the health care of the chief minister. The chief minister has very high-handedly
managed to set up an ICU in his flat on this road. When somebody is sick, one goes to the hospital and admits himself. For the first time in the history of the country, Manohar Parrikar has brought the hospital to his home. This is totally unacceptable. Even recently, when former Prime Minister Mr. Vajpayee was ailing, he admitted himself at the hospital and he passed away there. What we have seen over the last 9 months, while Manohar Parrikar has been sick, is all unprecedented, unconstitutional. From the setting up of the Cabinet Advisory Committee to all that he has done over the last 9 months is totally unconstitutional. And the people of Goa are watching with anger, and now he has 48 hours to either quit or face what will evolve as a statewide agitation to demand the sacking of Manohar Parrikar. I today once again appeal to the Governor of Goa. She has a constitutional responsibility to act in a situation like this. She cannot be sitting and being a mere spectator to this sordid state of affairs where governance has come to a standstill. And it is earlier that the people were saying that the administration has collapsed. Today, Manohar Parrikar's own cabinet ministers, his own party leaders have been publicly saying that the entire administration in the state has collapsed. So I request Mr. Manohar Parrikar, at least hear to the conscience of your own ministers who are saying that there is no governance and it is time for you to go and enjoy the rest of your life in peace, but let Goa not sink. You deserve all the rest that you can get, but Goa has to move on, and that is the reason we need immediately a new chief minister in the state and the restoration of governance back in Goa.
What happens after 48 hours if he doesn't resign?
We are happy, as I said, our demonstration today is an all-party with various NGOs. Our friend Jitesh is there of the Shiv Sena, Mr. Bhosle of the NCP. I've spoken to Mr. Subhash Velinkar. He is also all with us. So we are trying to get all the parties, all the NGOs aboard. So this is a people's movement to get rid of Manohar Parrikar.
We will resort to all peaceful means, and then only we will take it.
Because Manohar Parrikar should be lucky that he is in the state of Goa. Any other state in the country, if it had gone through such collapse of administration, the state would have been on fire by now. And I would also like to remind Manohar Parrikar publicly that if he was today in the opposition, he would have raised a ruckus and a hue and cry over an absentee chief minister.
Can I say 2 words?
Yes.
What is happening today in Goa is ignominious and atrocious. Not only a terminally sick CM is trying to hold on to his chair, but his party men, are playing the fool with us Goans.
Please clear the road, please. Press. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Doctor speak. Doctor, much
Today only, a very trustworthy writer has written a very tranchant edit where he has mentioned without mincing words that Mr. Manohar Parrikar is in an irreversible comatose state. He cannot act, cannot react, cannot dictate, cannot take any dictations. And after all, what is happening, he and his party, I don't know how much he is involved, because they say he is terminally sick. But they are playing the fool with us. It is a great attack on our Goanity, on our identity, on our worth, on everything that we cherish. This must end. Our brother there is on a fast, and we are extremely concerned for his life and welfare. Every Goan, his blood is boiling. My own blood is boiling. And we will certainly do everything to see that's governance. Most angry we are with that Madam Indona Paula, who was pledged by the Constitution to uphold the law and order in the state. But today, she's just a puppet. She's just watching silently all the chaos and anarchy in the state. This must end. And the earlier this state of affairs ends, the better.
Mr. Bosley of the
Viva
NCP.
the Goan civil society. Thank you all for coming today and giving of your best to this march, which was organized almost within a very short notice.
Dr. Palazzo, you said that the Chief Minister is in a comatose state. Would you be able to throw some light on for how long he's been in the state?
See, I think has been, I don't know the inside things, but this is what the article in your own paper by Mr. Pramakar has said, that he is irreversible comatose. He cannot act, cannot react, cannot dictate, cannot take dictations. As far as I'm concerned, if you want to ask him, he is in this state for a long time, and we are just being taken for a ride.
It is really disgusting and sickening. आमचो राजा सीख जाला, ताका कसले दुयेंस जाल्लेले पयलीं स्टार्ट जाले पोटान दुखपाक. आयज हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान फाटल्या एका म्हयन्यान सांगले ताका पॅन्क्रियाटीक कॅन्सर जाला म्हणून. ताका 8 म्हयने लागले हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक. जेन्ना खंयचो एक लिडर दुयेंत पडटा, कारण पर्रीकार हो फकत गोंयचो चीफ मिनिस्टर न्हू, तो आसलेलो नॅशनल लिडर, गोंय इंडियेचो डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर, येदो व्हडलो कोडेगांड लिडर, तो जेन्ना दुयेंत जाता, ताची नोट सगळे पत्रकार घेता, सगळे मिडिया घेता आनी आख्खे नेशन घेता आनी तेजी चवकशी करपा खातीर तेज्या घरा वयता. पण एज अ व्हडलो लिडर सगळे जाण घरा वचपाक पावना. तेजी वायर मिडिया जी आसता, तेज अ हेल्थ बुलेटिन. Since he was sick in the February with a stomach ache, till this date there is no official medical bulletin. तुम्ही कित्याक लिपयता? हो कोमो कित्याक धापून दवरला? तुम्ही गोंयान उजवाड कित्याक घालिना? हो एक दुबाव गोंयकारांक पडलेलो आसा, कारण हे दुयेंस आखे गोंयभर पसरलेले आसा. देर इज अ ग्लूम एंड सिकनेस स्प्रेडिंग ऑल ओवर गोवा. आमी आज लोकांचे, आमचो जो सिनियर सिटीजन जो आसा आनी रिस्पेक्टेड मनीस बाब कुलास, दोतोर कुलास, हो जाणून घेवपाक येयलेले सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टींक, सगळ्या एनजीओ घेवन येयलेलो आसा. बाबा तुका एक्झॅक्टली जाला कितें? बट दिस इज अ ग्रीड. इज मिस्टर पर्रीकार अंडर अ सीज? तेका कोणेन बांदून दवरला? हे सरकार कोण चलयता? कलेक्टर चलयता, चीफ सेक्रेटरी चलयता, बीजेपी चलयता, आरएसएस चलयता, काय चमचे चलयता, काय एजंट आहाचे चलयता? आमकां गोंयकारांक दुबाव जाल्लो आसा आनी गोंयकाराचो हो हक्क जाण जाता, कारण लाख मेल्यार जाता, पण लाखाचो पोशिंदा मरपाक जायना. मिलियन्स मे डाय, बट द किंग शुड नॉट डाय. We don't want king to die, but at the same time we don't want million to die also. हांव त्या खातीर आमी मागून घेता, बाबा तुजी हेल्थ कितें ती तुमी आमकां कळोवचें आनी हे जे कितें संभ्रम आहा तो पयस करचो. आनी जशें दोतोरान सांगला तशें एजिटेशन चड जातलें, मोठ्यार पडटलें. ग्रीड म्हणटा ती मनशाक आसूंक करना. आमच्या गोंयांत एक मुखेलमंत्री जावन गेलो भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकार, तेणेन डायवर्स बी घेतलो गोंय आमचे महाराष्ट्रान घालपाक. तरी सुद्धा ही हॅज बिकम अ लवेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर. ही इज बींग रिमेंबर्ड. आनी येतलो व्हडलो इंटेलिजंट मनीस, IIT मनीस, तो आयज तो कदेल घट धरून बसलेलो आसा. इतले टर्मिनल डिसीज जावन करून देव तेका बरी बुद्ध दिवची, देव तेजी बरी सुटका करची. देव बरें करूं.
म्हजें एकूच मागणें आहा. आमी जायते NGO आमी एकठांय जाल्ले आहा. हांव मनोहर पर्रीकाराक विचारूंक सोदतां, कितलो तूं आमकां गोंयकारांक दुखयतलोय? आनी कितलो टायम दुखयतलो तूं दुखल्लो आहाय म्हण आमकां सगळ्या लोकांक दुखयताय हें तुजें सारकें न्हय. मनोहर बाब, हांव म्हापशेकार, तुजो वांगडी म्हापशेचो. तूं लोकांक आनीक दुखयनाका. तुजें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कार्ड आनी कोणाय कडेन दी. हें म्हजें धाकटें मागणें. मनोहर बाब, तूं आयकतलो म्हण म्हाका खात्री आहा. देव बरें करूं.
शॉर्ट चडशें सगळें उलयल्लेंच आसा. हांव फक्त इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदतां की वेगवेगळ्या तरेचे चीफ मिनिस्टर गोंयांत पळयले, पूण असो स्वार्थी आनी फटींग असो चीफ मिनिस्टर गोंयांत पळोवंक नाशिल्लो. आज अशें सुद्दां लोक उलोवंक लागल्या की भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर खंय खुर्चेर आसतना एक्सपायर जाल्लो म्हणून ताजो पुतळो आयलो म्हणून हो तसो रावला. म्हणून हाजो पुतळो जर बांदलो जाल्यार ते मनान कोणाच्या ताच्या बद्दल अभिमान आसचो ना. कारण हो असो आसा की मरण समोर पळोवन तो पुतळा खातीर खुर्ची धरून रावला. म्हणून ताणें जर खुर्ची सोडत आनी तो जर बऱ्या तरेन चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून रावत जाल्यार एक वेळ ताजो पुतळो येवंक शकता. पूण अशें केल्यार ताजो पुतळो जर बांदपाचो आसत जाल्यार आमी परत सगळे जाण असोच विरोध करतले आनी ताजो पुतळो बांदपाक दिवचे ना. हांव ताका सांगूंक सोदतां की अजून वेळ वचूंक ना. तूं बऱ्या तरेन तूं बरो ना. आमी सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी जे गोंयकार आसा, गोंयकार कोण स्वार्थी न्ही, जे गोंयकार आसा तांणी ताज्या खातीर कामना केल्ली, देवा कडेन मागणी केल्ली, चर्चींनी प्रेयर केल्ले, देवळांनी मागणी केल्ली, यज्ञ केल्ले की तो बरो जावं म्हणून. सगळ्या गोंयकारांची इच्छा आशिल्ली तो बरो जाव. पूण बीजेपीची इच्छा आसा तो बरो जावं न्ही आनी तो असोच जावनी. आनी बीजेपीक ताजो कितें तरी पॉलिटिकल स्वार्थ आसा ताच्या फाटल्यान. पूण हांव मनोहर पर्रीकाराक सांगता की तुवें स्वता राजिनामो दिवचो आनी फाटीं जावचो. आमी हरशीं गव्हर्नरा कडेन लेटर सुद्दां सबमीट केल्लें, सायनींग कॅम्पेन आमी चलयल्ली शिवसेनेन आनी ताज्या उपरांत आमी गव्हर्नराक लेटर दिल्लें. पूण आतां सगळ्यांनी म्हणल्या तशी गव्हर्नर जी गोंयची आसा ती फक्त भोग्याची भुमिका घेता. तिजो आनी कांयच रोल ना. ती सुशेगाद पॅलस एन्जॉय करता. गोंयांत कितें चल्लां तें तिका पडूंक ना. आनी आज गोंय जें आसा तें अंधेरी नगरी आनी चौपट राजा अशें जाल्लें आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू.
I and Mr. Rajan Gaten in first week of November ultimatum dilla to the government that we are giving 1 week's time CM Mr. Manohar Parrikar should come forward. राजन घाटे थिंगा आझाद मैदानान मोत्ता. एक दीस जालो उपाशी रावलो, दुसरो दीस जालो, तिसरो दीस, टुडे इज 4th डे.
रिकॉर्ड जाता तो ना. रिकॉर्ड जाता काय व्हिडिओ काढला तुझा.